All right, you guys, here to give you a quick little tip. If your key fob is only working up close next to the driver's door on your W203, place the batteries in the key fob. Battery is good on the car, but the key, no matter what, just won't open the car unless I get right next to the driver's door, and then it will lock and unlock. From a little bit of internet searching, that fuse 8 is a typical problem for these, or it could be the transmitter in the back of the car, but I checked the fuse and it is indeed popped. So we're gonna replace it, see if it fixes our issue. And there it is, fuse 8. Let's go ahead and slide our new 7.5 in. Oh, I think it just popped again.
Well, I'm underneath the car. I'm in the middle of a manual swap, but the good news is I think I have a solution.
So if you can see right there, we're on the passenger side. This is a 2005 C55. This is different on some of the earlier ones. They might be on the driver's side, but right there is our siren for our alarm, and basically a little module inside of there. Has a lithium battery and it expires after a while and sometimes causes this exact issue. So I'm gonna go ahead and unplug it and see if it solves our locking issue. That is unplugged. Let's go replace the fuse and see if our locks work. Fuse is replaced. All right, we just plugged our battery on and I did not hear a fuse pop. Let's see if our key works. Yes! Sick. Cheers, guys.